ton of fan mail. So today I'm gonna break us up into 2 teams so that we can tackle even more fan mail. We're gonna head out and see who can transform the most Peachybbies fan slimes into something super amazing. Our fans like to send us slimes where they send us the grossest slime they can make and then they ask us to fix it for them. So to start, we're each gonna choose a random package and fix whatever is inside. But stick around because the losers of this video actually have to fix the grossest slime that we've ever been given here at Peachybbies. It's really bad. Let's get started with the first boxes. So they gave us 5 boxes to choose from. What's your method of picking?
Well, we could do the classic eeny, meeny, miny, mo, or we could both just put a number behind our back.
Let's put a number behind our back. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, we'll do 2. Let's see what we're cooking with. That one looks more like a rock, I won't lie. Like, initial inspection doesn't look horrible. It looks like a little goopy slime, but we have 2 totally different consistencies here.
So this one's like a rock.
Is it? Oh.
I thought it was a clay at first, that's why I chose it, but it's...
And then mine...
This one has hairs in it, and I think they were put there purposefully because she wanted to give us a challenge.
This slime, I think it needs some extra glue and then a little bit more activator, and I think we could just fix it like straight out of the gate.
So what you're saying is we're a better team than Kristie and Hanna.
Oh, easily. Like they're gonna get destroyed. I don't know what they're doing right now, but we're doing better.
All right, now it's our turn to open up some fan mail slime. Let's go with this red one. What do you think, Kristie?
Oh wait!
Shoebox. Aww.
This is so cute! Oh my god, I love this ice cream!
This is from Kiara. I am 10 years old. I hope you can fix my slime. Please send it back. Okay, it's probably been sitting in our warehouse for a little bit, so we're gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. Because it looks like the activator and slime separated. I've never seen something like this before. I think we're gonna need a little bit of glycerin.
It's so strange. It's like a separate chunk in the liquid.
And this one just is clay.
She gave us instructions on how to fix them and what she wants them to look like.
All right, which ones do you wanna do?
I wanna try doing this blue one.
That is the Ice Cube Cloud Slime. Please ice. We could do that. I'll do these 2, Watermelon Gummy Bear and Cloud Cow Slime.
And then I can do Cow Butter Slime, the pink one, and the Ice Cube Cloud Slime.
Kiara, I'm so happy you sent us slime. I'm a little nervous about this one.
Can I request some tools? I'd like a knife, I'd like a microwave.
A microwave?
Yes, and I'd like some glycerin.
Microwave, we're going to the microwave. Apparently microwaving it warms it up and softens it, and since it's so hard, we can't even add the glycerin to it if we wanted to. Just go and take the slime, open the door, insert the slime, close the door. We'll go for 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes might have been a long time. We'll go 45. Ooh, it's smoky. Oh, it actually did something. It's starting to soften up a little bit. Look at that. I have returned with the slime. Here you go.
Is it microwaved? Oh,
yes.
It's begun to wrinkle. Look at him.
Maybe activator is the only thing that we need. What could go good with a nice chicken cutlet slime?
Chicken nugget slime.
Maybe we really lean into that. Make it a chicken nugget.
I have a new plan. I'm pivoting. If you can't beat them, you're gonna join them. That's gonna be my charm.
That's smart.
Yeah, that's gonna be my charm. Maybe I could even sculpt them into shape.
Honestly, since this is the only amount of slime that we have, and now it's better than what it was. I'm gonna throw this in one of the cups, and then I'm gonna take a trip out to Charmville to see if I can find anything that will make this look more spectacular.
Can you just bring me back a bunch of purple charms?
We're on the hunt for purple charms and something to make this look less like chicken.
All right, now we're off to Charmville. We've got our little ingredient list.
Go look for some cows.
Yeah.
Some cows. Oh, they're so cute.
Yeah, these are really cute. Yay!
Oh, okay, those are cute. Hanna, you're dropping all your melons everywhere. Oh, they match my nails.
They do match.
That's cute. They're cute.
Goodbye, Charmville. Let's dump it out.
All right. I'm gonna do this blue one first.
Okay, getting this texture fixed is not gonna be an easy task.
I feel like it just needs to dry out somehow.
Adding some glizzy. So this should soften it up. I just want it to become more like a slime again.
I am gonna go find some snow powder. Our slime is kind of too liquidy and they want it to be a cloud slime anyways.
Seems like there's soap in here or just so much borax or laundry detergent. Whatever activated it, there's a ton of it. Oh my goodness. You can literally squeeze the soap out. Look at that. I added some glue. Okay, I think this is slimifying. Is that a word? Ooh, this is working. Yay! I never thought this moment would come.
Oh, snow powder, snow powder. Here it is.
Ooh, that's pretty.
It's snowing. You're making progress.
I am making progress though. Like it is getting a little bit of stretch back. I think this is gonna be like a really nice and bouncy slime.
Okay, this is soaking up the moisture pretty good.
Ooh, that's looking good.
It actually looks pretty.
I'm gonna add a little bit of red to kind of brighten this up, make it more of a pink. I'll be right back.
So I was really hoping for like small, tiny charms, but I'm thinking we're just gonna do cubes. It is kind of breaking apart a little bit. I wonder what Andrew has got me, but I think we're getting somewhere. Can you guys, my little cubes. A lot of people like to send us slimes with food in them, so that's pretty fun. If you wanted to send us nice slimes, that would be cool too.
My thinking here is that I want to run with some gems. Maybe some sort of gems might do this better. Thought about it a little longer, plans are pivoting. We're gonna completely lay into the idea of this being a chicken slime. This would work. Then maybe some like yellow stars, and then some white circles. I have an idea. Not the black circles, but yes. Here we go, some black crumbs. This will kind of act like the pepper. And then Andrea says she needed purple charms. I don't really know what that means, but I'll find her some purple ones. Maybe some like purple circles. Maybe we could go with some of these. Some like purple flowers. And maybe to be safe, I could grab some of these purple butterflies. Or maybe even some of these purple axolotls. I don't know, man, I'm not a girl. I don't know what looks pretty.
Why is this so warm? That's so weird. Feel it. It's like having some kind of chemical reaction. Right? Like,
I have never felt a warm slime before.
maybe they put the insides of one of those heating packets in here. I'm gonna grab a little bit of dye and probably some lotion to keep softening it up.
We're a little messy, but I guarantee this is gonna be really pretty when I'm done mixing it. Do you think this is a pretty color or should I brighten it up?
What's the paper look like? Oh wait, that's pretty accurate.
Yeah,
I think so.
I color matched to that.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. I feel like this is still not. Okay, this isn't bad.
Maybe you need more glue.
This is good, this is doable.
All right, I'm gonna wash my hands. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna get started on the next slime. This right now, though, it feels more like a butter. It seems like there's clay in it.
Okay, so this was my ice cube slime, and I'm gonna put it in the little cup. Texture is maybe not as drizzly as like an actual cloud slime. Maybe this is something like a cloud dough, but still fluffy and snow powdery. So
I like the warmth. That is so cool.
it's got a special temperature element to it.
Yeah. All right, I'm just taking some of the cloud slime Kristie made and incorporating it. I also want this to be a little bit more of a royal blue, so I'm gonna grab that dye. All right, I'm just gonna add in a little bit.
Got some ice cubes, some light blue hearts, and some glitter. I'm actually really proud of this one. Ah, this is so cute.
Oh, I love our ice cube
ice cube slime.
Those are really fun.
Yeah.
Don't go too crazy with these.
I love glitter. Oh wait, this is so pretty.
Yeah,
it looks
that's
like
really
Elsa made it in her castle. Beautiful ice cube slime. Yeah.
I bring charms.
There's
some purple, and I decided that I was just gonna fully lay in on the whole it looking like chicken breast.
Okay.
So I got some of these little chickens. We also, I got some like white circles and yellow stars, and also some black dots to kind of make it
Is
look
that like a
pepper.
warning of what they'll be if they're not good chickens?
Yes. I feel like we're gonna kind of cook with this. Chicken and chicken. And bam, now we have our chicken breast chicken slime. Slime fixed.
So I have my slime, so let's decorate with our nice little cubes.
Of the old
Let's
school
push
slime.
some cubes in so that there's like texture, you know? A little axolotl. Give him a name, Andrew. What's his name?
Axolotl?
Yeah.
That one? Jerry.
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 And then we'll just decorate it with a little bit of sprinks, you know?
Oh, it's so good. Wait, that's so good. Yeah.
I love him.
I love it.
These are our final slimes. I'm content with these. I think we're gonna beat them.
I think we will.
Yeah.
Let's see how they're doing.
Next up, got this pink one sitting. It's taking a bath. It's just taking a bath.
Now, this one has a cow on top.
All right, this is what we got so far coming out of the bag. But this is supposed to be a cow slime, so I'm gonna just see if I can fix it. It's an activator. This is a really messy workstation, don't mind.
Yeah, don't mind us.
We are professionals. This is the way it is. Oh, okay, this is working,
And then I feel like this is looking a little dull, so let's add some sprinkles. Here is the final cow slime.
Oh, they want this to be butter. Okay, cool. So I get to add some clay to this since it's a butter one. Oh, this one's so difficult.
Here's some clays. You want me to open them?
Yeah, can you put it in?
Oh, yeah. Pretty.
Nice. We're gonna add in our pink clay.
You want more?
Yep.
All right.
It's gonna need a lot. Oh, this is still too activated. Maybe this does need glizzy.
Tell me when.
All right, some glizzy.
I'm like
Put
a
it in.
waiter with cheese at the restaurant.
Thank you. All right.
You're welcome. Anything else I can get for you today?
All right, we're gonna work with just this piece right here. Try to mix it. Oh no, it's falling apart. More glizzy. It's just gotta soften up because I think maybe I did put too much activator. Or I guess it was already kind of rippy in the first place, but.
You want some butter slime?
Yep, stick
a
her
bunch.
in. Thank you.
You want me to mix some of it?
Oh, I don't want you to get your hands dirty again.
They're already dirty.
Okay, sure.
I'll take like half of it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
She's
I'm gonna grab some dye and we're gonna make it a little pinker.
Coming out in chunks.
Well, I think it just needs a little more color here. It is time to decorate. It's a little bit lumpy, but I think she's okay. You know, everybody's got their imperfections. I think this is a cute pink color. Okay, so it's supposed to be kind of like a half and half.
You want to use some of this?
Sure.
Ta-da.
And we're just gonna use this slime as the other half.
Yeah, we did our own interpretation of it.
Yeah.
All right, Kira, I hope you like it.
Oh, it still needs a cow. It needs a cow.
Yep.
Got the cow. Is there anything else we could use?
Here are some sprinkles.
Oh, wait, these are cute. Little colorful stars. Top it off with a little bit of color.
I like it.
I think so too. I think this is pretty cute.
All right, these are our 4 slimes. Kristie, I think we did pretty well. Why don't we go see how Andrew and Andrea did?
Yeah, I bet we beat them.
Okay, so now that both teams have fixed their set of fan slimes, it's up to me, who was behind the camera the whole time watching the process, to decide who wins.
I'm just gonna say it's not fair. We have 2 slimes, they have 4.
We're gonna start one at a time. First things first with Andrew's.
I'd also like to say I get extra points because I have a handicap of Andrew being on my team.
That will also be taken into consideration.
Thank you.
So Andrew, when he got his slime, the slime was very goopy, and it was this raw chicken breast color, which I also agreed it looked like raw chicken breast. So he went with this chicken theme. Can I ask why black, yellow, and white?
The black was supposed to be pepper, the white was supposed to be salt, and then the yellow was supposed to fit with the chickens.
Okay, see, I like that. That's a great explanation. All right, jumping over to here, very cute cow slime, looking a little lumpy. Do you guys remember the inspiration behind the slime?
We just did what Kira told us to do.
Very accurate, I would say. There were 2 different interpretations to how the slime should be fixed. They went with following the idea of the fan themselves, and you guys did not really have an idea, so you just thought to improve the slimes as much as we can. First things first, this slime, decent. Next, we're gonna go over to this ice cube slime, which looks stunning and beautiful, I will say, but it is a little flaky. I feel like it's up to the creator of the slime to mix it in and not dust it on top. So
my
Oh,
goodness.
great. Now I'm
Probably
covered.
don't want that in your house. There you go.
Aesthetically, it's gorgeous. Honestly, it might be my favorite slime of the bunch here, but it is the messiest. So points off for that.
You keep losing your ice cubes.
Yeah, Kristie, you're not helping our case. Just let it be.
Jumping over to Andrea's slime, I love the theming here with the axolotl and the butterfly that are friends here on the top of the slime. It's also a little tough.
Sometimes I don't think you need to touch the slime to judge it.
Yeah, but I want to touch the fan slime, because really what you did is you just took some magic boba
I think
and put
that's
the diced
actually what
fan
they really
slime.
wanted me to do, you know, like they put some hair in there.
I would have loved to see the slime be melted down a little bit more and incorporated a little bit better. Jumping back over to this team, so we just got some sort of pink slime with watermelon. It is nice. It's a little rubbery, I'll say, for what's supposed to be, what, a thick and glossy or honey butter?
What texture is that?
I don't know.
It looks
it's
like
what
weird
they gave
skin
us.
wrinkles.
It's a new texture.
It's a little soapy.
Why is it so wrinkly?
A creative new texture made with the slimes they gave us.
I feel like it could have had a little bit more sprinkles, more fun. The texture is pretty nice. I feel like this is a pretty solid slime. Well, I remember it did not look like this when you first got it, so you did a decent job at fixing the actual slime itself.
Thank you.
But I think it lacks a little bit on top. And then lastly, we got our 50-50 split cow here, half white, half pink, which honestly, color matching wise, Kristie has always nailed it. It's a little stiff, I can see. It comes out in one chunk. Aesthetically, I feel like this team did a great job at matching the vibe. Texture-wise, I feel like this team has a little bit better, so it's gonna be tough to judge. My final ruling, and the team that is going to be winning and not having to fix the gross final slime is Kristie and Hanna. Andrew and Andrew are going to have to fix the nastiest fan slime we've ever seen.
Let's unbox it. Let's do a little unboxing for the people. Here she is.
Oh no, I hate it.
There it is.
Wow.
Here we go. You ready?
I never actually saw the pasta because, oh, yep, there's pasta in there.
I don't like
that's so
it.
gross.
What is that?
What is it?
It's bad.
Oh my
it's so bad.
goodness.
We're gonna need some glue or some clear slime.
Are you gonna take the pasta out of it or keep it in?
No, I think it's gonna be decoration.
Andrea, what other worst slimes have you seen?
I haven't seen worse slimes, but people used to send me food slimes all the time. People would send me like slimes in food containers a lot.
Oh my.
So I've seen bad slimes. This is not the worst by far.
This
Not
is
the worst?
No.
What is in the worst one?
It's all food.
Ew.
So here's a paper towel.
I hate the way it looks.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. I brought some scents in. We have a clean rain smell.
Clean rain.
And Fruity Pebbles because that's my favorite one. We just need like a little bit more of the goo.
The goo in question.
Oh,
Oh, I hate that.
I don't like
hate
that it's green. It just adds to the mold vibe.
I really want to know what the theme of this slime was. Fold that in.
Oh, that looks
I got
awful.
a pink and a blue, thank you.
Give you a blue.
You get pink.
I'll grab the pink.
Here, I'll make a little happy face.
Oh, there we go. That'll work, right?
All right, that's looking a lot better so far.
No, I think it'll be like a nice purple.
I'm so glad we won.
I've
Right.
Oh, hey, there's a spaghetti in here.
Here, wait. Let's add a little bit more.
No,
All right. Hey, this is a good-looking purple color. This
It's
is
like
making me feel
galaxy
a
purple.
whole lot better.
Look, it's got some nice pastas in it.
Ew. I love. Look at that. I love the few little noodles that are just kind of floating around in this.
Yeah, so I pre-planned the theming because Andrew didn't want to look at it. So we have stars because it's a little galaxy, and then we have some little boba beads, and then we have some bunnies and flowers because I just thought they were cute. And I think if it's really, really cute, nobody's gonna question, like if you give it to them and there's a pasta in it, they'll be like, oh, hey, a charm, you know?
Normal things. Having a little spaghetti noodle left in the.
I felt the spaghetti. It's a little gooey because I think the food is breaking it down. I would
That's
also like to
disgusting.
point out, don't send us food slime because it molds.
Please.
And I don't really want to touch mold. It's funny seeing Andrew grossed out by it.
So much.
Take
Oh,
our
oh.
galaxy
I'll
slime.
play with my bit that I don't think has spaghetti in it.
It probably has spaghetti in it.
Oh, you know what? Here.
Oh, I back up when you guys. No.
I'm gonna
no,
dip
no,
it
no, 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 no,
into
no, no,
here.
no.
I'm just gonna do a little bit of this.
Oh, Andrew.
There we
Oh
go.
my God.
Yeah. There's still, don't worry, there's plenty of spaghetti and meat in there. So why did I do this to myself?
Andrea, you're taking this like a champ. I think you should go on Fear Factor. Andrew, I dare you to mix it with your bare hands.
What are the odds? Out of 10? 3, 2, 1,
7.
You never get 7. That's the thing that people think of the most.
No!
Well, you got him.
I call it spaghetti in space. Spaghetti in space. And there we have it, the final fan slime of the day. Andrew, will you do the honors? Thanks for watching. Bye.